Here's a guide to show you how to register online, with tips to help you through every stage of this process. Now it's time to add details of your qualifications. You can find a list of qualifications accepted for each role on our website using the link on this page. If you hold a qualification, you will need to add those details. We will need a copy of your certificate before we can process your application. You can upload these in the Documents section. If you don't hold a qualification but have 3 years of experience in the last 5 years, you can register using Confirmed Competence. You will need to select a competence endorser as part of your application using the link shown. If you do not hold a qualification and do not meet the criteria to use Confirmed Competence, you can register using the Employer Assessment route. You will need to select a competence endorser as part of your application using the link shown. Type your manager's name manually if they are not on the list. Further information on the Employer Assessment route can be found on the registration section of our website.